Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go stop ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go stop ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Bless up my viewers and subscribers. Big up in the cell, man. You don't know, so the attacking boss, they are NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And I mean, say attack. So my viewers and my subscribers, you know the saying always say, you know what I mean? You have to just be careful of what you're doing in life, because you can do something in life, maybe want to turn a life around by people, and that same thing you have done in the past will turn out to haunt you. No matter where you are, you may take the plane and go some million miles away, my viewers and subscribers, or you may take a look at bus and go right around the corner there, so you can be in the same place. But remember, me tell my people, them always have the saying, say today for me, tomorrow for you. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. Well, my viewers and subscribers, you know what I got to talk about now, my people. And a couple days ago, not even a couple days ago, like 2 days ago, my viewers and subscribers, a video come out, my people. We go out the viral, my people, about a shooting that was caught on camera. See, for a lot of people, they were saying this thing took place in Jamaica, my people. And after credible information that I get, my people, then we find out that this thing do occurred in Barbados, my viewers and subscribers. So on this camera footage, you can see, my people, or you saw a female, she come out her car, basically, my people, car park up to go in the apartment where them live. And them say, yo, it's she and her boyfriend, my people, she and her man. See, so she come out, pull the gate, my people. By the time she enter back the car, my people, and boyfriend ready for, you know what I mean, put car in a place. A man that just fly up, my people, and start beat can. He managed to pull the door, run out of the car, my people, run in the bushes while these gunmen chase him, my people, and them beat it upon them, my people. After news report and everything, them say, yo, him dead right upon the spot. Them give it all over him body, my people. During this footage, we saw where the female, my people, she still turn up, you understand, she never run, my people. She run and make a move, but she still a look them, my people, and still a look and a watch if the car go drive out, my people. Then these gunmen alerted from the car, my people, and beat car off her, my people. During this footage, you can hear when she ball out, when she squeal out, wee! You understand that when it bite her, my people. After everything and reports were made, my people, we get information that she was shot and injured and she was in serious condition over there in Barbados, my viewers and subscribers. See? So the youth gone confirmed by police report over there in Barbados. Him gone on the spot, my people. You know what I mean? So for a lot of people, after these things went viral out there and everything, a lot of people were saying, yo, it's a setup, and they were saying this female, basically, she a part of it, she plotted, she set it up, because why she never run, why she stand up same way, you understand, and she say, man, I do something like this. And for me personally, my people, I never pray her in that way and say she set it up, because based on everything we mess with my people, it never look like no setup, like she involved in this thing, my people. Because on a real level, she can be traumatized, my people. Remember, this is her man, you know, them live together, my people. You know, loving these people were, you know, you understand? She can just want to wait to see if these men are going to just do what them are do, my people. And then, you know, they move, then she can go check on him, call the police, call for help or something. Maybe that she a praying on my people, you know what I mean? Because deep inside, she love him. You know, it can't be that way. For a lot of people, my viewers and subscribers, you know what I mean, them are going to think differently. They can do love my people, but them are think about them life. So them are going to frighten and them are going to run away. But they don't know, while some people in a different situation, my people, them deal with and react to things differently. You know what I mean? So I could have bash her at the time and say, you know, I see a part of it. But then I pray in a way there's some people on a real level. But after the report even come out, my people, and just in a serious condition, and so when the boy them run off her and beat it off her, my people, and we in the take her, we definitely can say, yo, she not involved. Because remember, you know, 2 videos went viral out there first, now, my people. You understand? And that before them get the 3rd video where you see the bright image, you know what I mean, in colored. The other one in a black and white, them do see it, my people, but them never see the finishing part when them do rush her again and beat it off her. So that's why a lot of people, they definitely appreciate, yo, she involved in the thing, my people. See, we don't know the attacking boss got to work, my people. We definitely want to know who in that Kiara, who is this youth, why these men over there in Barbados that really circle him like that and do something like this to him. Well, my viewers and subscribers, based on alleged information I receive, them said this youth, my people, who goes by alias Rat Zine, who them say was a top quenga in a Jamaica, my people. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. So based on alleged information when I get my people, they must say, yo, Rat, head wanted by several man a yard, my people, because them say he was a shooter, he was a quenga, my people, and a lot of people him dirt. And a lot of people there on him list we still get dirt. But based on thing, my people, him have to make a move. Him have to make a chip, my people. And this is why he make a move and he reach over there in Barbados, my viewers and subscribers. But as I say, my people, remember me telling you, all in a day a million miles away, my people. You may do things in the past and bless you know why we good, my great, my people, but you just never know when that minute, when that second, when that hour, when yo time I just comes a boom and turn upon you. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. Well, my people, basically Rat was there over there in the Barbados, my people. You know what I mean? Maybe forget about certain things when I do a yard, my people, and say, you know what, that done me I live a different life and I find a nice catty, we I live good, we I live great, I find a nice apartment, you know what I mean? Me I drive a nice Axia in a Barbados and something. And you know, me I live my life, my people. But he didn't know what was coming, my people. Well, for a lot of people, they are speculating and they are saying, yo, this must be a hit from yard. You know what I mean? Like, man get heads up and say, you know, so the boy rat the over, yassa, and yassa him a bill, and yassa him a live. You know what I mean? We have to go get him, we have to go dirt him. You know what I mean? A lot of people are say, yo, them believe, them surmise, say, you know, see that go on. Well, a lot of people are say, yo, him can be over there and even involved in other things where, you know what I mean? Man have them thing and man does sweat him up. Because remember, you know, my people, this is the Caribbean we are dealing with, you know. And through the Caribbean, you know, every crease, every corner, you know, my people. Yeah, some country in the Caribbean we not go have it violent like that, my people. But me I tell you, man have them thing, man have them strap, my people. And if a man do violate certain way, some man will rise up them thing. No joke about it, my people. So it can be a situation where rat comes a boom now, my people, and you know what I mean, maybe message something over there and then man comes a boom and certain thing reach. And I see him where you come from here and I reach to him, my people. See, but look on it, my viewers and subscribers. If you as a man manage to destroy a lot of life, hurt people, you know what I mean, left kids fatherless now, motherless and them something, you know what I mean, based on alleged infos, me I got you and I tell them people, but me just say, if you in that situation, in that position where you do all of this to people, you know what I mean, destroy life, you know, but you're in a pre say, yo, there gonna be a changes, you know, because after all of this, you know what I mean, and see it now. Maybe him now look back and sit back, you know, after all of this nice life where I live now, people, you know what I mean, feel peaceful, feel great now, have a nice cat, maybe have something in a belly pan the way, maybe get a daughter or a youth already, my people, and he maybe feel good, feel great now, say, look at a man, a different level, me depend on me, a change man now, my people. But think about it, what about those life that he destroy? What about these family who are suffering now in Jamaica, my people, still mourning every day for them loved one who them lost, you know what I mean? A man pray that, a man think at the back of him head. So you look at the man, time, calm at the round there, so you know what I mean? And that's why me always go and tell the youth them, say, youth, you don't have to think, you know what I mean? You know me hot head now, you know me make certain move now, you know me make certain, you know what I mean? Destroy certain thing and beat up a couple cans certain way and make some man have to run up and down, tear down the place, lick down zinc fence and them something there on a real level. But deep inside just think, you know what I mean? Just think and look, say, the same man them will destroy, you know. You never know how much youth them ever come up, you know, how much friend, you know. You understand this is how the thing set up now, my viewers and subscribers. And this is not the first time we are hearing situation like this. So they must look at a man from yard who do things a yard, them find them in the Barbados and them something and they are so them get caught up or so this and that go on with people. And we have seen it's an increase now in police presence with our Caribbean counterparts where they are working, you know what I mean, together with security forces in Jamaica. Because if you look over Cayman, my people, you know what I mean, since recently it's over 4 to 5 wanted man who police have on them wanted radar, my people. They find over there in Cayman and the police counterparts in Cayman find them and come to man, you know what I mean, fling them down the yard. So they are working, my viewers and subscribers, but why? Look, never they on a rat side, none at all, my people, as me I tell you, them say rat a yard man, he's originally a yard man, alleged in for my people. Them same do things a yard, my people, manage to make a move, manage to chip out type place, you understand, cut out because you don't know the thing, or because yo, you hurt people, destroy people, want you, and see them, over so with them cat living a life, you know what I mean, the people, but all me can say for the cat is still up on a real level, boy, you know, it look how, boy, me not know people, in that position, me not tell a lie, now my people, boy, me love you, me love you, me rate you, me rate with you, my life, my people, boy, Jaja see, Jana knows attacking bars, me I go secure my 3 points, and my people, yo, me I go run in, me I go tear down them zinc fence, me I go jump over the wall, me I go jump over the roof. You see it? Because when she make the first move and people and she walk, go down at the bottom and run off down this look in and she still a peep around, she not move. You know, she need even that prayer weird, so boy, me I tell you. And then me see the same thing, then just run, come down and them start beat it up on her, then she squeal out, we. Oh my world, oh my peace, just NEWLINK. But as them some people, So the hospital same way in a serious under condition and thing. The youth, as I tell him gone, rat gone, man, because them say basically what me know when them run back a rat, my people, rat manage to run. And when them run back him, them start beat it out pan him, and when him drop them, go over him and squeal out a couple more pan him. You understand? For a lot of people, they were saying if they in the position in the car, they would manage to try come out of the car and try to manage to make a getaway out the car instead of run. But look into it, maybe Rat deeply know see him there once, so him just try to run out for see if he could get away and the girl managed to run, and him a pray so maybe if him in the car, them go shoot up the car and him now want the girl to get shot, but they were shooting at the car already. So you don't know that thing, the government viewers and subscribers. But yo, only just sees and he knows the people. Life, only John know, man. My people, big up on yourself, man. You understand? And thanks to the love, thanks to the support, the like, the share, and the comments, man. Every video I want to do, my people. You understand me? Appreciate it. For the new people, I want to follow the IG, big up on yourself. You know what I mean? If you follow the Facebook, the not TikTok, NEWLINK, the Twitter, big up on yourself. You don't know NEWLINK Production official attacking boss. For the new subscribers, them, big up on yourself. You will consider if you subscribe. And for the whole Caribbean counterparts and people them all over the world, USA, England, Canada, Africa, Europe, big up on yourself. Jamaica, Turks and Caicos, the whole works. Bahamas, you understand? Over there in Barbados, Guyana, big up on the Selman, Cayman Islands, and the people, please remember this, you know what I mean? Sunday, September 11 will be the 5th staging of the NEWLINK back to school trip, my people, and we're in the final phase, and we need some more donation. We ask the people, just come on board. If $1 you have $10, check below the video, my people. There's a PayPal link below. Support the movement, my people, because this 1,100% guarantee everything is going toward this fund, my people, and it's fully funded by me, the attacking boss, myself, as well, alongside you all. So, my people, please support the movement, because you know how much you are do for your youth, you know. For this, my people, the 5th stage, and I'm here to tell us, the people, every year the people them grateful, them thankful. And if you go to see when we post the video, you see the people them and the kids them appreciate this thing what we do for the community, small community, my people. You understand? Because the MP them now do nothing. And we step in and we never come to one ask government or MP for nothing. We are doing this with my viewers and subscribers. My people, if $1, if $10, if $20, if $50, if $100 you have, if $500, if $1 million, support the movement. PayPal link to them people. Link up the attacking boss. All my contact information today and support the thing. I want team, you know. I want dream people. And I want scheme. And I want attacking boss. Peace out. Love you all. Attack them NEWLINK. Blessings.